Hello, my dear friends, teacher, and parents. In the series of phonic learning, we are here to learn about short I sound words. The phonic sound help a student to read the CVC word very easily. And not only reading, the phonic sound helps small kids to write the words. After learning the phonic sound, they will be able to write the similar sound words. So today I am here with another short I sound word. So let's bend two words together. I, I, and I, n, I, n. Well done. Repeat after me, students. I, n. Well done. Now we are moving to another words. T, n, tin. As we have learned, I and n together makes a sound of in. I, in. T, in, tin. F, in, fin. B, I, bin. P, I, n, pin. S, I, n, sin. Ch, ch together makes a sound of ch. So whenever you see ch together, you have to speak it like ch. Ch, I, n, chin. V, I, n, win. S, k. Whenever you see the two letters together, S and K, you have to make a sound like sk. N, skin. Very good. Now it's your turn. I will point out on the word and you have to read just like me. T in tin. F in fin. B in bin. P in pin. S in sin. Ch in chin. V in win. Sk, I, n, skin. Very good, my dear student. Now I have some questions for you. Here I have write down the first letter and you have to write I and after the given letter and to form a word. So this is T, I, T in tin. Very good. The next F